Welcome to the world of Intel, a company that revolutionized the tech industry and defined an era of innovation. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to explore Intel's internal strategy-making process, a unique approach that turned a startup into one of the most successful corporations in the world. This is a story for business owners, entrepreneurs, and innovators looking to learn, relearn, and be inspired. Meet the real characters of our story, the people who built Intel from the ground up. Gordon Moore, the visionary, Robert Noyce, the genius engineer, and Andy Grove, the strategist who would take Intel's growth to new heights. In this video, we're going to explore the story of Intel and understand how their unique strategy making helped them evolve and become leaders in their industry. Intel's journey has an important lesson to teach us about running a successful business. So sit back while we exemplify and dive into it using a storytelling scenario. Once upon a time, two friends, Alex and Sam, opened a small workshop called Chipville. They had one dream: to create powerful gadgets that would make a difference in people's lives. On this page, we see the humble beginnings of their venture. Starting small is often the way many great companies begin. It's all about the vision. Remember, every big business once started with a simple idea in a small room. Let's introduce the importance of building a solid team. Chipville wasn't just about Alex and Sam. They brought in Rita, the clever developer, and Leo, the charismatic sales expert. Together, they combined their unique skills, and Chipville became a place where everyone had something valuable to contribute. This highlights the importance of having a diverse and inclusive team. Every skill matters. Every story has its challenges. We see Chipville face tough competition from a faraway place called Japan. The competitors were producing cheaper, high-quality memory chips, and Leo was struggling to sell Chipville's products. This is where we learn the value of being aware of the competition and recognizing when it's time to change. Brainstorming is all about collaboration and the power of bringing everyone together. When Chipville faced a crisis, Alex and Sam didn't make decisions alone. They brought their entire team to brainstorm, share ideas, and find solutions. The value of including everyone in the decision-making process is important. Sometimes, the best ideas come from unexpected sources. Rita suggests focusing on micro-gadgets instead of memory chips. A bold idea. Alex was hesitant at first. Changing direction was scary. But sometimes we need to trust our team, even when it feels risky. Innovation comes from trying something new and stepping out of our comfort zone. The leap of faith Chipville had to take. They decided to stop making memory chips, their bread and butter, and started investing in micro-gadgets. This wasn't easy. The lesson here is that change often requires letting go of the familiar to make room for growth. It's a big risk, but sometimes it's the only way forward. Leo decided to create a sustainable relationship with their customers. He knew it wasn't just about making great products. People needed to understand why Chipville was evolving. Leo reached out to customers, explained the change, and shared the excitement. The importance of communication and making sure your customers come on the journey with you. Chipville growing again because of change in product innovation. The micro-gadgets became popular, and soon everyone in Innovia and other towns wanted them. The rewards of persistence and being adaptable is growth and success. By pivoting at the right time, Chipville became a leader in their field and now a thriving company. But it wasn't one big idea that got them here. It was the culture they built. Chipville became a place where everyone's voice mattered, where ideas were nurtured, and where everyone worked towards a common goal. It's like a garden where every plant, no matter how small, plays a role in making the ecosystem thrive. The story of Intel teaches us that strategy making is not about having one fixed plan. It's about building an environment where ideas can grow, evolve, and flourish. It's about collaboration, trusting your team, and being brave enough to pivot when needed. So if you want to grow your business, remember the lessons from Intel. Every idea matters, every team member counts, and growth comes from nurturing the best ideas. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Intel. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another MBA case study adventure. Keep innovating, keep growing, and see you next time.